The Church of St. Friday, in the southern part of the city, was built in 1776 by some of the most famous masters of the time. Its construction was carried out by the master craftsman Ilia Kristo. The murals that represent scenes from the Holy Scriptures were created by Terpo Zograf, the son of Konstandin Zograf, the famous painter of frescoes and icons from Mokra of Korça. While the iconostasis and wood carvings were realized under the direction of another Albanian master, Dhimitri from Konica.